Take it out there. I'm gonna be on the porch. I want to record this. This could go viral. Okay. Look at this flash. See that? Heather, I'm getting this on video. Yeah, well, it's the only camera I can use to post it on YouTube. And I'm getting a good shot. Oh, yep, that's... And the rain's not going to get to it. Lightning videos go viral, Heather. This video could go viral, Heather. Man, Pikachu's in the sky. Or something. Man, if only I could, bring it out to see the actual... Oh! The actual lightning bolts. But I can only pick up the flashes. Because it's raining and I don't want to get my webcam wet. The webcam's too special. Or I could just take this... Okay. Okay, I need to get a different view of the lightning. So what I'm going to do is open the door.